Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the data modeling basics, define record, types, fields and the custom versus auto-generated ID. So what is record type? A record type is like a table or the connection, but somebody is telling you about like what is record type. So record type is like a table or the collection. Example, user table, product order. Create a record in the user table. So create user John. Okay, so this is user is like record type like a table, and John record ID can be custom or the auto generated. If I go and just hit this command, already we have connected, right? The last one is the person. If I go and just hit this one, so user is my table, John is the record. If I hit enter, automatic data is inserted. If I want to select this user, select star from user, I need to just add it over here. So here we go with the data ID user John. Okay, so this is how it gonna be fetching the data. Okay, because record ID can be custom or the auto generated. Fields in a record, fields store actual data in a key value pair. If I go with this one, set name John, email and this one. Okay, so create user. Okay, if I just go and hit enter, database record user John already exists because I have already added, right? Okay, so the name, age, email are the fields. Okay, so the name, age, the fields, data type, string, int, bool, data, and this are the all are the data types. Okay, record ID, custom versus auto generated. Sometimes I'm going to add the product would be 123. Product would be a table. 123 is my ID. Set the name with laptop. Okay, creates a record with ID product 123. Auto generated ID. So let SurrealDB create the ID for you. So create a product, set name, this and this one. So if I go with the product, so let's take a look. Create a product is created. So ID is automatic created like this. So I'm not setting anything ID, so it's auto generated. So this is how the SurrealDB generates the automatically ID. SurrealDB assigns an ID like product like this one. So select style ID from this one, so you will get this ID. Okay, so here we go with this our ID, right? Okay, best practice tip, use auto generated IDs for the simplicity. Unless you need a human readable ID, you are syncing data with another system, you want stable custom IDs like the user Raj. Okay, so make sure of that one. Examples, complete record creation, use ns app nsdb. Okay, so this is the complete one go through. So I'm going to use this one for creating the task like this, view all records like this. So this is the one all in one. So first we are going to create the DB with the ns, the namespace is app and the DB is this one. Then we are going to create a task with this one. Okay, and then we are going to view all the records in the task. Okay, this is what we are already doing. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. In the next video, we are going to learn about the CRUD operations. So hope you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.